Steve. My name is Lisa Majors.
And I'm Paul.
And this is our Busienda. We've been on the road for about a year now, a little over a year, and we've enjoyed every minute of it. We have a 1994 Bluebird TC 2000, and yeah, we just had a great time. We're from Arkansas originally, and my wonderful husband, he has been in the heat and air business for many, many years, so luckily he knew electrical, plumbing, and then we've built an earth bag home together in Arkansas, so that got us prepared for living off-grid. So our bus, we decided to go full solar from the end to the front, and we have 10 250 watt solar panels. So yeah, he used Unistrut to mount them so they're nice and low profile. And I just started doing some artwork on the bus a few weeks ago and having a great time with that. So I'm an artist, and yeah, so why not create some public art that people can enjoy? And I'm just having fun with it. And I'm going to do the whole bus. Everybody asked me, so yes, I am going to do the whole bus. So if you come on inside.
I was thinking by the time you get to the back of the bus, you're going to have to start over here because it'll start fading.
Right,
We'll have
right.
to put some clear coat on it.
Oh, yeah.
As soon as she gets to a certain point.
So just to help with some information here, I put all the expenses and the features of the bus, and so far we've spent about $22,000 altogether, including the cost of the bus. The bus was about $3,500, $3,400, and with all the solar and everything, we have a really big battery bank, but we also have that on our home. So our batteries are sealed lead acid batteries. They're about 9 years old now. Yeah, so we've tried to take really good care of them, and they've served us very well. So we're very happy about that. So come on in. So when Paul and I built an earth bag home together, we used a lot of recycled materials, and we knew that they were a great resource. So we tried to do the same on the bus. We sold our property, by the way, and that's why we're full-time nomads. And we've used pallet wood on the majority of the wood. So it's been sanded and treated with beeswax. And then, so yeah, we have two facing couches, would have been really nice for conversation. And flooring, just like most people do. The ceiling is, we decided to use the thin plywood so it curves nicely on the edges, but the bus is heavily insulated with Reflectix, and then regular fiberglass insulation, and then another layer of Reflectix, and it's been all taped up, and all the thermal bridges have been taped off. So so if it's really hot outside, we stay pretty cool in here, and if it's really cold, we stay really warm. We have a diesel heater, so that helps. So this is our little dining area. And it's pretty basic. I wish I had made it a little bit wider and come out a little bit more, but you know, you can always change it. Paul did this beautiful walnut countertop with the live edge. And it's just the perfect height. I love it, and it's just perfect because we can both get in here at the same time and cook together. Because we have plenty of solar, we can run our Instapot, our Ninja blender. We have a full-size fridge, 10 cubic foot with signing. So so yeah, that's the advantage of having plenty of solar, is being able to run the appliances that you want. We also have our power tools that we kept. So if we need to do more woodworking, which we still have a few more projects to finish. So so yeah, and we have a window unit AC, so that can work on our solar too.
Nice.
Our bathroom, we do plan on tiling because we're not very especially happy with the plastic I didn't really do it right. The corner's kind of curling out because I didn't do it right. But yeah, we're just going to redo it in tile. The toilet is a cassette toilet. They came out of a pop-up camper, as well as the shower pan. And then our hot water on demand is in one of these little cabinets here with the water pump. Turn some more lights on. We have more storage in here. And then closet on this one. And then the bedroom. Oops, let me turn some more lights on. These are the marine low profile touch lights. And we're really happy with those. They're DC, so they're wired directly to the batteries. And then yes, we have our little window unit that we can run, because if you have if you have enough solar and the batteries to do that, you're able to do that. But I'm hearing that a lot of people with the mini splits are not able to run off the amount of solar, because you need a lot of solar for that. But Paul chose this because he felt like that best suited our needs. So yeah, our bed is nice and comfy. It's a Zinus mattress, which has got some plant-based materials. And so yeah, this is our bedroom. If you turn around and open that second door right there, that's the solar closet with all the electronics. This one. Okay. So the combiner box is where all the wires come in from the top. And then he's divided up the solar panels into two, like 5 and 5. So we have 2 charge controllers and an inverter. And we've got 2 100-gallon water tanks that are mounted up under the bus, and a 30-gallon gray water tank. So we're living very comfortably in our home, and we love it. And we love being on the road and meeting wonderful people like yourself, and just really loving this lifestyle.
Well, thank you. And do you have any social media presence if people want to get a hold of you, ask questions, anything like that?
Just Lisa Majors and Paul Majors. His is actually William Majors. So yeah, Lisa Majors and William Majors. And we've been making posts on the Skoolies page. So if you can't find us on Facebook, you can find us through the Skoolies page.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. Thanks, Steve.
Hope you enjoyed that video. And remember, there'll be another one next Saturday. So please tell your friends and hit the subscribe button, and give me a thumbs up if you liked it. All right. See you next time, YouTube. Bye.